Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to efficiently install and load our packages. So we're going to install packages. We're going to do with two things, install our packages using the function install packages, and then the name of the package, I call it package name. And then we're going to load libraries, load library using a function library and the package name that we've just installed. Okay, so let's start by loading our packages, and I'm going to show you two ways. So this is I call this an efficient way. It's not really inefficient, but if you have multiple packages to install, it will take a lot of time. I'm going to do it in an efficient way. So let's say I want to do some analysis and I want to install my packages. So first of all, which I don't have them installed in my system over here. So we start by typing in our command, install packages, and then the package name. So for instance, you want to install a package called called plot. So we want to use this package for visualizing or correlation matrix, or maybe you're doing some analysis and you need it for that. And also you might want to install other packages. Let's see what you need. Tidy models, and you might want to use this package for maybe machine learning models if you're running those. And then we still need other packages. So we keep on doing this until you install all your packages that you need to work with. So we need another package called Patchwork. So what this does, it combines ggplots into one graph, one plot. And then we need another one, like janitor. And what it does is just examines and cleans data. So maybe change the columns names or remove duplicates from your data. Okay, so now we just needed 4 packages, and I've typed all 4 of them in separate lines. I'm gonna run them, run, and it's running, so you can see that it's working over there and installing all the packages. So this is called inefficient because if you have more than 4 packages and you keep on typing that install package and package name, it will get cumbersome and repetitive. So I'm going to show you the efficient way of installing the packages. I'm still installing down here. And now it's installed already, and you can see that it shows you where the installed packages are. And I'm going to show you the efficient way. So for the efficient way, you just have to type using the same command, the same function, but now instead of typing them one by one, you're just basically typing all the packages that you need in one line. So in one time, using the install packages function, again, but this time we just pass the packages to be installed, either as a vector or a list, and with each package is separated by a comma. So C for command, and then I type in the package names again. So I give it plot, comma, tidy models. Oh, I forgot. You need don't forget a quotation mark. The quotation marks here while you're typing your package name. So tidy models and patchwork, and then a comma, janitor. Okay, and so now say we just type them in one line. So instead of typing them one by one like we did here, you just type all your packages that you need in one line to install them. And I'm gonna run again, and it's gonna install those packages again. Well, this way is just, I think it's a more efficient way of doing that, so you don't have to do one by one all the time. Another way you can do, if you don't want to type all this, you can use the graphical user interface. So just click and and type in all the packages that you need. So when you go on the other side, on your left side, or it's my right side here, you see the files, plus packages, help. If you click on packages, you should be able to see this button install. And when I click on that, I get this pop-up window and where you have the install form. And then the packages here is where you're gonna type what you want. So like I say, we just type part. What are the next one? Tidy model, and look for it over here. Or you can even type tidy base package you need. What do you need? Janitor. And so on. So you keep on doing that until all the packages that you need, and you just click install, and it will do the same thing. So here you don't have to type, or you don't have to type on the one. You just select and then you click install. I'm gonna cancel it because I already installed it. Okay, so once you've installed your packages, now you need to load them into your working. You need to load them into your working file or your working directory. So now we're gonna load. Load the libraries. We're gonna do this one by one. So this is the function library, and then I call it what we just installed. So gg what. So once you've installed it, once you stop typing it, you see it come up. So that means that's another way of knowing if it actually installed or not. We have to do this for all the packages I've installed. I think there are other ways of doing them efficiently, but so far this is what I'll normally do. Library, what is that? Patchwork, and library janitor. Okay, so now I've installed my packages up here. So now I have to load them into my working file, and I just type library and then the name of the package and run. So now it's gonna load my packages to my working file. Another way of seeing if it's really loaded. So remember let me see the GG. We already, this is the GG core plot, that the first package that we just installed, and then we loaded. So see now it's checked, so that means I can use it. It's actually, I can use it for my analysis or whatever I wanted to do with it. Something else, you can also unload a package. So maybe you don't want to see it here. You might probably, maybe it's interfere with some of the other packages and you just want to unload it, which I don't think you really have to do, but sometimes you might have to do that. So you can do that by actually just unchecking the package. So select the package that you want and uncheck it. So if I uncheck the report, you get this message down here. So, and you see it's not checked. So that means I can't use it unless I go back again and call library, or I check on it again and it will work. Or I could go ahead and just type that command. So let's detach something else. Detach package. We're gonna detach janitor package that we just loaded, unload. There it goes. To and it's not there anymore. If I want to load it again, I have to go back again and call library and janitor, and then it's load again. You can check if it's unloaded where it exists. What is the janitor? I need quotation mark, and then when I click on that, it tells me false, so that means I've unloaded my package. You can also uninstall a package. Like remove it from here, you will see it in your list of packages, and you can do that by just typing remove packages, and then the package name that you want to remove. We want to remove the GG bar, so it's still here, so we want to remove that. Yeah. So now we don't have it here. We've actually removed it from our working directory from our file. So next time we want to use this package again, we'll have to install again and then load it again in order to be able to use it. Yeah, that's it for today. And let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Thank you for tuning in.